Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we are cleaning out one of my clients' fridges. Cleaning and organizing. As you can see, it is unorganized, well lived in. She has three kids. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. And also, look at all those condiments. Also the freezer. This is the freezer. And so what I did was I just gave her some organization to help it flow better. We went and got these canisters, or these containers, I would say, from, I think I got these from TJ Maxx. And we washed them up, letting them air dry. We cleaned out the fridge. Took out all of the drawers and everything like that. Just gonna get them all spick and span, all nice and clean. This is the fridge empty after we got all the drawers out. Just the normal, things spill, so cleaning it out. Those are the drawers. Lots and lots of cheese. Oh, and here's all the food out of the fridge. I don't usually do sections. I usually take everything out to see what is there, and then I go from there. But I don't really do by sections. If it was a larger fridge, maybe. But this one was okay to just take everything out. Got some eggs. All right, we got some raspberries. Those have obviously been in there for a minute. Got some dried up cherries. Some turkey bacon, some cheese with with the hair tie in it. Let's see, we got some meat that is expired. Very. Oh. All right, let's finish washing up this stuff. Let's get it all squeaky clean. It's nothing like a clean fridge. Am I right? Oh wow, look at those nails. I need my nails done. Anywho, all right. Yes, girl, clean that. Squeaky, squeaky. You gotta be careful because that's glass. All right, so as you can see, all of the drawers are gone. Wiping down the walls. We just basically, I used hot water and Dawn soap to clean that out, and just does the job. All right, and now we are going to put the eggs in the organizer. This is one of my favorite things. I love a good egg holder. And she needed 2 of them because she had more eggs, but this was completely fine just to put that in there. And this is it. This is, me putting back in the shelves and the drawers. It looks so good. Look at that. Just sparkling clean. It's nothing like a clean fridge, I'm telling you. Makes you feel good. All right, and here is the finish. You put everything in the way that I did it. Meats together. Cheeses. Yeah, that's pleasant. Got rid of a lot of expired stuff. Drawers, Lunchables, got some fruits and veggies. Yeah, lots of drinks. And then we went over to the freezer, and the freezer we just straightened up. She actually has 2 fridges out in the garage. Well, another fridge and then a freezer, a huge freezer. So she had a lot more stuff. So we just pushed some stuff out there and just organized it to the fullest. So yeah. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check me out at IMKLovely. That is on Instagram, Facebook. Guys, have a great day. Bye.